In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a workout on Fitbod. So the first thing you have to do, you want to of course go to the app, and then you want to click on the workout button at the very bottom left. And then here you can already see it says start workout at the bottom. So there's the button. That's how you start a workout. However, before you do so, I would recommend you go ahead and review a workout, your sets, your reps, your weights, and everything else. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do is you could go ahead and just scroll down and you'll be able to see the exercises. You can add an exercise by clicking add exercise down to the bottom, and you can then add any of these exercises available over here. Or you could go ahead and click on the swap button up top, which will allow you to basically swap and create a workout from scratch. You could also import it via your saved workouts or pick a specific muscle, and then it's going to basically generate a workout just for you. Now, if you want to refresh the workout, you can click on the three dots next to the swap button, and then you can click on refresh workout at the very bottom, and it's going to generate a new fresh workout. So after you've done that, you can click on a specific exercise, and it's going to show you basically the reps, the weights, and then of course the sets as well. And you could also go ahead and see the history, the how to, etc. And you can do this for every single exercise. And after you've done that, after you're ready, just click on the start workout button, which is this button down at the bottom, and your workout will get started. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.